Members of Pepsi, the management committee, all the award winners. I think it's better luck for the people. I think it's better luck for the people who have not won it this time. There is a lot of partnership between business and the government. We cannot do without each other. I think you don't depend on us, as he said a shairi. We also depend on you for the resources to come. It's a mutual understanding. It's the industry which takes us forward. All the industries which are coming in, there is so much of competition between the states that we literally don't get anything for 5 to 6 years to come as taxes. Some industries which are big want us to invest some more for them to come here. I think the competition between states is becoming cutthroat competition like you have in business. Yes, there are a lot of problems attached to this, but I don't agree with Mr. Raju saying the power position. I think we are in the best power position in the country, and I am confident about it. We are better than Gujarat. Last summer, the percentage of power shortage was 6% here in Andhra. And how much was Gujarat? Because in one of the meetings, I found Gujarat having more shortage than us in summer. We bought some power last summer. We bought, I think, a month 800 megawatts and 1000 megawatts. Even some few days back, I don't know if they are buying it now. Few days back also we purchased power because there was no hydroelectricity and other aspects. Yes, we are concerned about power position because our whole industrial development depends on power. We are concerned, we are sensitive to it and how to take it forward. We would like it to be a excess power state, but it will take some more time for us for that to come. Yes, lot of private players in power are coming in, but there are a lot of problems attached to starting these power projects also. It could be both ways. Some could be because the people there do not want to part with their land. Some could be because we have mishandled, either the state or the industry has mishandled the situation. Whatever it is, we are not coming at the pace power should come here. Unfortunately, a lot of issues which the government takes decision or should take decisions goes to court. So once it is in court, it's very difficult to predict when the result is going to come. So some of the issues you mentioned are in court. So till the court gives its judgment, we'll have to wait. We cannot take the, I think, case one bidding you are talking of. So such things we have to wait, we have to go with the system. Being in a democracy, we'll have to respect the other institutions also.